demand hingkai sini long pending demand. Several times we have submitted our demand application memorandum, but still no work not has been done. So that's why we are here come to reminding the official. So we are present our locality on behalf of the Donsora Deborma Para. Kok hingkai abo sung sini demand tamong hingkai just our social demand. Joto ni bagai overall joto bagai demand vehicle joto thangmanane just SDM office by near just 1 kilometer gana wo sini lama hingkai belai subdivision mai gana haipan ta phana bo ekdom 60 year ne all lama PWD lama but abo ta phano pakka lama ongoi maniako but sini gisam phaine rok ongoi thangbai ka abo ni bagai sung executive engineer ne ro sikang ni simi result DM SDM o result hingkai sung tine hain hai ketal khlaioi sung deputation dina thangai tongo deputation sini deputation obono tine 5ta demand tongo main 5ta demand bising main permanent road connectivity, second deep tip well water supply, 3 sub center, 4 number market stall, 5 number community hall repairing and material mane khunoi rok main 5 demand sini deputation tongnai. So aboni bagai sung tini SDM office sung thangai deputation dinai angkai tini sini parane phaibaijak angkai abon bagai phaide sung palkai parang sade no road no boat, no road no boat, no road no boat, no solution no rest, no solution no rest, our demand legal